Our next contestants are Brandy Moore and Ambernique Amides, presenting an original performance titled Give Back. Ladies and gentlemen, Brandy Moore and Ambernique Amides.
Give back, serve. Preserve the grace of humanity. Forget your vanity. There's a great need in our community, in our back door.
Equal opportunity, sharing, caring, giving your time so that others can reach their prime.
The need is so vast, don't wait to be asked.
The child needs a meal so she has no ordeal.
Sunday with no food, she's not in the mood, she's hungry.
Give back, serve. Help a child in need, it is my creed to give back.
Give back, take the time to race for the cure, to deliver meals, to fight hunger and transform lives.
Give back, take the time to bark in the park, to build a house, to mentor a young mind during tutoring time.
My community relations builds the foundations to help me serve and build a crew ready to help you.
My joy is spreading smiles, helps me down the aisles at church. When I volunteer, it becomes crystal clear.
Giving back is my passion. I'm ready to take action.
Giving back changes lives, a community survives.
One day I may need help, support.
I may fall short. I hope, I pray someone has the passion to take action.
To have compassion for me if I were in need.
Giving back is my passion. I love seeing others smile.
Giving back is not only helping others, it's helping yourself.
Learning from others as they learn from you is giving back.
Helping others as they help you is giving back.
Taking the time to help is giving back.
Being here today is giving back. My passion,
my joy, my love is giving back. Give back, serve.
Preserve the grace of humanity.
Forget your vanity.
There's a great need in our community, in our back door.
Give back. Robert Louis Stevenson once said,
"We sometimes lose perspective on the difference we can make when we care more about our giving and less than what we take."
So remember that your action may help change your life someday. Always think about the person that you meet along the way. For it only takes a moment to reach out to be a friend, but to the one who needs you, the memory never ends. Give back, serve.